Hi, I'm Ms. Pozak and I'm teaching writing. Today in reading, we read Night of the Veggie Monster and talked about a time that we had food that we didn't think we liked. So let's switch gears and talk about a food that we love. What is your favorite food? What makes it so delicious? I'll let you know. One of my favorite foods is ice cream. I love eating ice cream. It's such a great dessert after I've eaten all of my dinner. One of the reasons why I love ice cream is because it is so cold in your mouth, and even when it's really hot out, it feels really nice. It's also really sweet. I love cookies and cream ice cream because it's got chocolate, and you guys know I love chocolate, but it's not too overpowering, so you can have more of it without it being too sweet. Today in writing, I want you to draw a picture of your favorite food and write at least 5 things that describe it. I'm really excited to learn more about you guys.